Fantastic stars of Denmark. Unveiling the Faroe Islands and Mads Mikkelsen. Get ready for an extraordinary voyage that seamlessly weaves together the captivating story of Denmark's Faroe Islands and the enigmatic world of Denmark's legendary actor Mads Mikkelsen. In this video, we'll unveil the stunning natural beauty and rich history of the Faroe Islands, alongside the remarkable successes and intriguing secrets of Mads Mikkelsen. It's a blend of breathtaking landscapes and cinematic brilliance, offering you a one-of-a-kind exploration. Join us and prepare to be captivated by the allure of the Faroe Islands and the magic of Mads Mikkelsen's journey. Stay tuned for an unforgettable experience. Hello my dear friends, I am Tohit Setaredan, your guide to the wonders of the world on the Tourism with Setaredan channel. Together, we explore extraordinary global destinations and dive into the amazing lives of local superstars. Subscribe now for unforgettable adventures and unique insights. Your journey begins today. A journey of tranquil beauty and adventure. The world is a treasure trove of awe-inspiring destinations, each with its unique charm and allure. Yet, if you seek a destination that effortlessly marries unspoiled nature with historical richness, the Faroe Islands beckon. Situated in the North Atlantic Ocean, this archipelago is a well-kept secret of the globe, ready to enchant your senses and ignite your wanderlust. So let's embark on a journey to this hidden gem and unveil the enchanting wonders of the Faroe Islands. A glimpse into the Faroes' magic. The Faroe Islands, an autonomous territory of the Kingdom of Denmark, is a picturesque group of 18 islands. Nestled between Iceland and Norway, the Faroes offer travelers an experience unlike any other. With a population of around 50,000 and an area of just 1,400 square kilometers, these islands are a testament to the majesty of nature. The Faroes have an undeniable mystical aura, making them an ideal destination for those seeking adventure and tranquility in one place. Historical treasures beckon. Before we delve into the enchanting present-day Faroes, let's take a step back in time. The history of these islands is as captivating as its landscapes. The earliest settlers arrived here over a millennium ago, and their influence can still be felt today. You'll find remnants of Viking heritage in the place names and traditions, echoing through the ages. One of the most iconic historical sites on the Faroe Islands is Kirkjubur. This village is home to the oldest wooden house still in use, Roykstofan, dating back to the 11th century. It's incredible to think that you can stand in the very same building that people did more than 1,000 years ago. The village is also home to the Magnus Cathedral, a timeless piece of architecture that showcases the grandeur of the past. Geographical marvel. As you journey across the Faroe Islands, prepare to be astonished by the geographical diversity. These islands are a living testament to the power and creativity of Mother Nature. The juxtaposition of rugged cliffs, lush valleys, and serene fjords creates a captivating, ever-changing landscape. One of the most iconic geological features of the Faroe Islands is the Vestmanna sea cliffs. These towering basalt cliffs rise dramatically from the sea, reaching heights of up to 600 meters. Taking a boat tour around these cliffs will leave you in awe, with birds swirling overhead and the sound of the crashing waves accompanying you. It's an adventure that will inspire awe and humility, reminding you of the boundless beauty of our planet. Hotels and restaurants. After a day of exploration, you deserve a cozy retreat and a delicious meal. The Faroe Islands have you covered on both fronts. Let's take a moment to introduce you to some top-notch accommodation and dining options. Hotel Faroe. Perched on a hilltop overlooking the capital city of Tórshavn, Hotel Faroe is a true gem. It not only offers breathtaking views of the city and surrounding landscapes, but also provides a perfect blend of luxury and tranquility. Cox. For an unforgettable dining experience, look no further than Cox. This Michelin-starred restaurant combines Faroe's traditions with modern culinary artistry. Expect a feast for the senses with local ingredients prepared to perfection. Barbara Fish House. This charming seafood restaurant in Tórshavn will take your taste buds on a journey through the flavors of the Faroe Islands. With its warm ambiance and fresh, delectable seafood dishes, it's a must-visit for food enthusiasts. Explore beyond the Isles. While the Faroe Islands themselves are a traveler's paradise, don't miss the opportunity to explore the surrounding region. You're in the perfect position to embark on unforgettable day trips to neighboring attractions. Iceland. A short flight away, Iceland opens up a whole new world of adventure. From the mesmerizing Blue Lagoon to the enchanting Golden Circle, there's something for everyone in this land of fire and ice. Norway. To the east, Norway awaits with its fjords and mountains. The city of Bergen, with its colorful houses and rich history, is a gateway to the scenic wonders of the Norwegian wilderness. Scotland. Heading west, you'll find the rugged beauty of the Scottish Highlands. Explore ancient castles, enjoy a dram of Scotch whiskey, and soak in the mystique of this legendary land. Adventure awaits in every corner. The Faroe Islands offer travelers the chance to explore nature in its purest form. Hiking enthusiasts will revel in the vast network of trails which lead to awe-inspiring vistas. Whether you choose to hike to the misty Lake Sørvágsvatn or conquer the peak of Slettaratindur, the highest mountain in the Faroes, every step will leave you spellbound. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, kayaking through the pristine waters and fishing in the deep blue Atlantic are unforgettable experiences. The Faroe Islands are an angler's paradise, with opportunities to catch salmon, trout, and a variety of sea fish. Final conclusion. The Faroe Islands are more than just a destination. They are an experience that will stir your soul. Nature's artistry, combined with a rich historical tapestry and top-notch dining and accommodation, create a destination that every traveler dreams of. As you stand atop the cliffs, breathe in the crisp sea air, and gaze upon landscapes that seem to belong to a different world, you'll know that you've embarked on a journey that will stay with you forever. So, pack your bags, prepare your camera, and get ready to embark on an adventure like no other. The Faroe Islands are calling, and they're ready to show you their magical beauty. Your journey begins here, and it promises to be nothing short of extraordinary. At this moment, I invite you to discover the achievements, secrets, and fascinating biography of Mads Mikkelsen. Mads Mikkelsen, the Danish actor of unparalleled talent and magnetic presence, is a name that resonates with film enthusiasts worldwide. Born on November 22, 1965 in Copenhagen, Denmark, his journey from a dancer to a silver screen sensation is a testament to his incredible dedication and the enigmatic allure he brings to every role. Mikkelsen's ascent in the world of cinema can be measured by his remarkable successes. He initially trained as a gymnast and dancer, but fate had other plans. His acting career took off when he played the nefarious antagonist in the Danish film Pusher, 1996. This marked the beginning of an illustrious career, and it was a role that hinted at the brooding intensity he would bring to characters in the future. One of Mikkelsen's most iconic roles came as Le Chiffre in the James Bond film Casino Royale, 2006. His portrayal of the cunning and ruthless villain established him as a global star. He seamlessly transitioned from Danish cinema to Hollywood, earning critical acclaim for his performances in films like The Hunt, 2012, for which he won the Best Actor award at the Cannes Film Festival. Mikkelsen's secrets to success are as intriguing as the roles he plays. He possesses a unique ability to bring depth to his characters, often using his eyes to convey a myriad of emotions. This, coupled with his dedication to understanding the psychology of his roles, sets him apart. His extensive preparation and willingness to physically transform for a character, such as learning martial arts for Doctor Strange, 2016, or perfecting the art of cannibalism for his role as Hannibal Lecter in the TV series, Hannibal, exemplify his dedication. The enigmatic allure of Mikkelsen can be attributed to his chameleon-like quality as an actor. He can seamlessly switch from playing a heartthrob to a menacing antagonist, showcasing versatility that is the hallmark of a true thespian. It's this very quality that keeps audiences guessing and filmmakers lining up to work with him. In conclusion, Mads Mikkelsen's biography is a tapestry of success, talent, and enigma. His dedication to his craft, remarkable successes, and his ability to maintain an air of mystery are the driving forces behind his remarkable career. As Mikkelsen continues to grace the screen with his presence, audiences can eagerly anticipate more unforgettable performances from this Danish dynamo. If you enjoyed this trip and this video was interesting and useful for you, please click the like button to support us and write your opinion in the comments section. Also, share the link of this video with your friends and let them join our thrilling journeys. Prepare for a breathtaking adventure in our upcoming video. We're whisking you away to Thailand's mesmerizing Phi Islands, where you'll be enchanted by the beauty of sun-kissed shores and crystal-clear waters. But there's more to discover. We'll introduce you to the dynamic world of Thai icon Tony Jaa. Tony Jaa, known for his jaw-dropping martial arts skills and breathtaking stunts, has made a significant impact on the global action movie scene. Join us for a double feature of natural wonder and artistic brilliance. Stay tuned and don't miss out on this extraordinary adventure. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to catch this fantastic content. Your next adventure begins soon. I invite you to enjoy one of the captivating videos in this section. The first video, which is at the top of the image, provides you with complete information about Appenzeller Land in the Swiss and its beauty, as well as the biography and secrets of the success of Roger Federer, the legendary Swiss tennis player. Meanwhile, the second video, located at the bottom of the image, presents a visually engaging puzzle, challenging your travel knowledge for a delightful and entertaining experience. Which one would you like to choose?